Welcome to Chifa Four-Legged Freedom. So here cooking for a special day for midnight. It's always special with them, but midnight just went through surgery, so cooking for them today. So I'm mixing the rice with the meat. I didn't put nothing. So plain meat and plain rice. No salt, no pepper, nothing. That's bad for the doggies. Oh yeah, it smells good. Even though I didn't put no ingredients in it, still smells good. If it smells good for me, whew, I know the doggies are gonna destroy it. All right. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing those videos. All right. Bye bye.